This is an introduction to the Gauss School laptop program. Before talking about the laptops, I would like to review the breakfast and dinner check-in system. Attached to each of your chargers is a key fob that will be used to check in to breakfast and dinner at the dining hall. There will be an iPad located to the right when you walk into the dining hall. Please take your fob and swipe it against the reader and you will be checked in. Please keep your fob in a location where it will not be misplaced. Misplaced fobs will cost $20 to replace. If you do misplace your fob, please come up to the IT department and we will issue you a new one. Personal computers are not allowed at the Gauss School. We often get the question on why that is. There are two main reasons. One, viruses are easily spread on personal computers and can infect the rest of the computers on campus. The second is more personal computers will slow down our network. If you are found with a personal computer on campus, it will be sent home during the next break. Everyone will be given a charger with their laptop. There are two main notes about charging. The first is to charge your laptop nightly in your dorm room. The second is to keep your charger with you and bring it to class. It is important to keep track of your charger at all times. If your charger is misplaced, you'll have to purchase a new one in the bookstore at the cost of $60. Also included with every laptop is a stylus. The same rules for chargers apply to styluses. Please make sure you do not misplace your stylus. A good way to make sure that it is not replaced is to keep it inside the laptop whenever you're not using it. If a stylus is misplaced, you will have to go to the bookstore and purchase a new one at the cost of $30. Please do not place stickers on your school laptop. School laptops are often reissued to other students, and sometimes the residues that stickers leave make it very difficult to get off. If we see your laptop with your sticker on it, we will ask you to bring it into the IT office so we may remove it. Please carry your laptop in a backpack or a laptop bag at all times. Do not carry your laptop by itself without a bag at any time. If you have any questions or problems with your laptop, please step up and see the IT department during the time in between classes. Please do not come up during class time unless instructed to by a teacher. Our office is located upstairs in Norton Hall. You are allowed to install your own software on GAU laptops. This is known as install privileges. Install privileges will be turned on once a month. When install privileges are turned on, an email will be sent out to all students. When the email is received, you will have to restart your computer in order for the install privileges to take effect. Wi-Fi is available across campus. In order to get your devices such as phones, tablets, or video game systems on Wi-Fi, use the information that is provided on this screen. You will connect your devices to the Gauss student network and will use the password Gauss School, all lowercase and no space. If you have any trouble connecting your devices to Wi-Fi, please stop up and see us in the IT department. There are multiple printers located around campus. One note about printing though. Please leave your laptop open until your document fully prints. If you close your laptop while the document is printing, it may not print the entire document. That's all for procedures. Let's start setting up the laptop. Start by powering on the laptop by pressing the power button on the right-hand side of the computer. Please look at the illustration on screen to locate the power button. Advisors, please pause the video here until all of your advisees have the laptop powered on. At this point, all laptops should be at this screen. Each student should have a laptop with their name on it. The next step is to make sure the laptop is connected to Wi-Fi before we sign in. Students, this should be done every time you turn on your laptop. The way to tell if you're connected to Wi-Fi is to look at the icon in the lower right-hand corner of the screen. If the icon looks like this, it means you're connected to Wi-Fi. If the icon looks like this, it means you're not connected. To connect to Wi-Fi, just click on the icon and choose the GAU e-network. The GAU e-network is only used for school laptops. After you select GAU-E, wait a couple of seconds until it says you're connected. If your laptop won't connect to GAU-E, the next thing to do is to restart your computer. Click on the power button and choose Restart. After the computer is restarted, you should be able to connect to GAU-E. Advisors, please pause the video here until all of your advisees are connected to Wi-Fi. Next, we are going to log into our accounts for the first time. Everybody type in the password 2491GAU. Please do not move forward on your own during this process. It is important for the steps of this tutorial that everybody is at the same place at the same time. After you type in your password, click on the right-facing arrow to sign in. It will ask you to change your password. Please type in your new password in the box. Then type in the password again in the box below. After you typed in the password twice, click on the right arrow to change your password. The computer will notify you once your password has successfully been changed. Advisors, please pause the video here until everybody has changed their password. Once all passwords have been changed, click OK to log on. From this point forward in the video, it is not necessary to follow along. Please watch the video and pay attention to the apps that are being reviewed. The first app that we're going to review is email. To access your email, click on the blue Outlook icon on your taskbar. Email is a tool that is used a lot at the GAU School. It is important that you check your email at least once a day to make sure that you do not miss any important messages. Your email address is your first initial and last name at gau.org. It is also listed at the top of your email window. When you receive a message, it will appear in the middle of your screen. Just click on the message and a preview will appear on the right-hand side. To send a new message, click on the new mail icon in the upper left-hand corner of the screen. To find a teacher, click on the To box. Then click on Advanced Find. Now you can type in the first 3 letters of the last name of the teacher. Click on the OK button and it will search for teachers. Click on the teacher's name and click OK. Then type in the subject of the message as well as the body. Then click on Send. Your message has been sent. Close out of the email app by clicking the X in the top right-hand corner. Next, we're going to talk about saving files and backing up your work. At the GAU School, we use Microsoft OneDrive to save files. To access OneDrive, click on the yellow folder icon on the taskbar. On the left-hand pane, you will see OneDrive, the GAU School. This is your own personal cloud storage for files and documents. Saving a file to OneDrive is easy. I will show an example using Microsoft Word. Open up Word and type your document. To save your document, click on the Save icon in the top left-hand corner. Your computer will ask you where you want to save it. The default is OneDrive, the GAU School. Click on it, give your document a name, and then choose Save. After a few seconds, your file will be saved on OneDrive. You can verify this by going to the folder icon and checking to make sure your file is there. When a file is saved to OneDrive, it is automatically backed up. This is important. If your laptop needs to be sent in for repair, The only sure way for us to know that we will have all your files is if they are saved on OneDrive. If they are not saved on OneDrive, there's a chance you will lose your work. If you have any questions about saving your work, please stop up and see us in the IT department. The next tool we're going to review is the GAL Applications folder. You can access the GAL Applications folder from the icon on your desktop. Inside the GAL Applications folder are tools you will use throughout the school year. One important note about the GAL Applications folder: please do not place any of your files inside the folder. Every time you turn your computer on, the GAL Applications folder is removed and the files are added back in. If you place any of your documents in the folder, they will be deleted. We are not going to go over any of the apps that are inside the folder. Just understand when the GAL Applications folder is mentioned, this is the folder that they are talking about. The last thing we will demonstrate is how to shut down your laptop. This is an important step, and it should be taken every night when you're done using your computer. Most computer problems arise because the laptop has not been shut down. To shut down the laptop, click on the Start button in the lower left-hand corner. Then click on the power icon. Choose Shut Down. This concludes the introduction to the GAL School laptop program. Please remember, the laptop is an expensive tool. Please take care of it as such. And remember, if you have any questions or problems with your laptop, please stop up and see us in the IT department upstairs in Orton.